Thousands of disabled veterans nationwide are due millions of dollars in refunds on VA-backed home loans.
But despite internal warnings dating back to 2014, VA whistleblowers tell our sister station in Minneapolis that top officials failed to alert veterans about refunds they're owed.
In Prior Lake, Minnesota, Carol Evans' investigation found there's a lot on the line for homeowners Beth and Andrew Ganfield.
Over $10,000.
Yep.
10 grand on their home mortgage that they should not owe. For the Ganfields, like most of us, that's no small fry.
That's a big deal.
Why is it happening? Andrew served our nation.
I was in the Marine Corps, 92 to 99.
So in 2012, when the Ganfields bought their house, they used the VA's home loan program. What they didn't know until watching a recent Carol Evans investigation is that VA leadership in D.C. was keeping a secret that was costing their family and tens of thousands of veterans nationwide.
I'm due a refund.
Internal VA records Carol Evans obtained from a whistleblower revealed a bombshell. Between 2006 and 2014, VA inappropriately collected approximately $150 million on more than 47,000 loans. The VA Inspector General, OIG, just issued a report backing up Carol Evans' findings, concluding veterans may have suffered significant financial losses.
We're paying interest on it.
To understand why, you have to know about a line item in VA loans where it says funding fee. For the Ganfields, it was $10,197. You'll need to listen close while we explain why that's a problem. A veteran using the VA home loan program is required to pay what's called a funding fee, up to 3.3% of the loan amount. If you're a disabled vet, that funding fee gets waived. But there's a glitch. If a veteran has only applied for a disability rating and the claim is still pending when they get their VA loan, they have to pay the funding fee. That can add up to several $1,000s. But if their disability claim is approved later, they're due a refund of that funding fee. But Carol Evans' investigation found all too often veterans were not getting those refunds, falling through the cracks.
I'm one of them that did.
But it wasn't just a simple mistake. Carol Evans reported top VA leaders, including Chief of Staff for Veterans Benefits Mike Frew and Loan Program Executive Director Jeff London, were warned about the problem back in 2014, but failed to act. The Inspector General calls it troubling and disturbing that they did not protect these veterans' financial interests. And what's more, because they failed to act, veterans continued to be overcharged. In all, the report estimates at least 72,000 veterans were overcharged by more than $286 million.
They could have let us know 5 years ago.
After seeing Carol Evans' investigation, Andrew called the St. Paul VA Loan Center.
Hello, Mr. Ganfield.
And got this message back.
It appears that you are probably due a refund for the 2012 loan.
Had you not made this report, we would have never been the wiser. And that would have just been money gone.
So far, Reveal investigator AJ Legault has been able to help several veterans get loan refunds totaling tens of thousands of dollars. To read about the reforms the VA says it is already making, we have a link to this investigation on our website, 11alive.com.